So, hi guys! For today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano i-install ang Tony ng step by step. So, first step, muna tayo sa Google Chrome. And if wala pa kayong account, just add account. So, dahil meron na akong account, click ko na lang ito. And let's search for Tony. And makikita nyo dito guys yung Tony.org. So, pindutin lang natin yan. So, this Tony's version is 4.1.7 and compatible siya for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So, since this is Windows ang pipindutin natin and itong Tony 4.1.7.exe 21 MB ang ating i-install. So, wait lang natin until matapos i-install tong Tony. So, ano nga bang features ng Tony? Tony is easy to get started since Tony comes with Python 3.10 built in. Second, no hassle variable. So once you're done with Hello World, select View Variables and see how your programs and shell commands after Python variables. Next, simple debugger. Just press Ctrl plus F5 instead of F5 and you can run your program step by step. So next, step through expression evaluation. Next is faithful representation of function calls. Highlight syntax error. Hina-highlight niya guys yung error mo dito. So, like this one. And next, it explains scopes and mode for explaining references, code completion, beginner-friendly system shell, and lastly, simple and clean pip GUI. So, if beginner ka pa lang talaga, mas magandang gamitin ang Tony, lalo na kapag beginner ka pa lang talaga sa programming language ng Python. So, wait lang natin until ma-install yung Tony. Since mag-open siya kapag natapos na. Ako. Ano tama? Bible? Hmm? So, since natapos na siya mag-download guys, click lang natin tong install for me only. And click next, next, and since nakandito siya sa program, ililipat ko lang siya sa downloads para mas madali siyang makita. So, click natin yung okay and then next. Click next and check lang natin dapat tong create desktop icon. And click next and install. And wait lang natin siya until matapos mag-install. So, kapag natapos na siya guys, click lang natin tong finish. And minimize muna natin to. As you can see, just, dito na yung Tony. So, click lang natin to. So, magpiprint tayo ng dalawa. hello world and full name ko. So, print, close and open parenthesis. Maglalagay tayo ng double quotation and hello world. Mali. Sa loob natin ilalagay yung hello world. Maglalagay ulit tayo ng double quotation para ma-print itong hello world. Kasi kapag hindi mo nilagyan ng double quotation, hindi siya mag-print. Next. Same lang sila pero pangalawang ilalagay ko sa next. Para malaman niyo kung magpapakita ba to, click run current script or F5. So, as you can see, nandito sa baba, nagpakita dito yung hello world and yung full name ko. And para naman save, click file and save, or keyboard shortcut is Control plus S. Save. Click, save natin dito sa my download, and bahala kayo guys kung anong file name ang ilalagay nyo. So, ilalagay ko is my surname. And 2D. Since I am from second year, block D. And click lang natin yung save. And also guys, dapat naka-local Python 3 to. Kung hindi, i-click nyo lang yung configure and interpreter and select local Python 3. So, since naka-local Python 3 siya guys, click lang natin yung okay. So, minimize na natin yan guys. And tignan natin sa files kung nandun ba yung ginawa nating file ng Python kanina. So, as you can see, nandito siya. And double click lang natin and yan. Para makita nyo kung nag-run, just click F5. So, yan. Gumana siya guys and nag-print yung hello world and Charmaine Valdez. So, yan. Same sa nandito. So, minimize na natin yan. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching.